In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off international shipping in Etsy. Maybe you've decided you only want to ship within your own country, or international postage has become too expensive or complicated. Whatever your reason, the simplest way to turn off international shipping on Etsy is to set up a shipping profile that only includes the country you want to ship to and remove all countries from your options. I'll walk you through that step by step. First, go to your Etsy Shop Manager dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account you use as a seller. From your Etsy homepage, look for the Shop Manager button, usually at the top of the screen. Click that, and it will take you to your main seller dashboard where you manage orders, listings, and settings. Once you're inside Shop Manager, look along the left-hand side menu and click on Settings. This is where you control how your shop works behind the scenes. Under Settings, select Delivery Settings. Depending on your region, this might be labeled Shipping or Delivery, but it's the section where you manage how and where you ship your items. This is where your shipping profiles live. Next, click on Create Profile. Even if you already have existing profiles, we're going to create a new one that is limited to your chosen country only. This helps you keep things clean and avoids accidentally offering international shipping on certain listings. A window or panel will open to set up this new shipping profile. Look for the section labeled What Countries Will You Deliver To? And click on Edit. By default, Etsy often selects a broad range of locations, sometimes even all countries, so we'll change that here. In the list of options, you'll see a checkbox for all countries. Click on that checkbox to untick it. This is the key step that effectively turns off international shipping. Once this box is unchecked, Etsy will no longer automatically offer your items to every country. Now, add the specific country you do want to ship to. For most sellers, that will be the country where you're based. Use the search or drop down to find it and add it to your delivery area. After that, complete the rest of the shipping profile. Set your processing time, delivery services, shipping prices, handling fees if you use them, and a clear profile name so you can recognize it later, like domestic only shipping. When everything looks correct, click on Save Profile. Finally, make sure to assign this new domestic only profile to your listings so that buyers outside your chosen country can't select shipping